Good afternoon, this is Kyle and David with Western Material Handling. Today we're here excited to test drive stock number 2495, excellent operating 1996 Hyster H110XL2, super clean 11,000 pound pneumatic tire forklift. David's going to give us a quick demonstration. This unit has a nice low profile triple stage mast. Does 165 inches of max lift height. He's going to take it on up for us. This unit does have side shift. It's equipped with 42-inch lumbers. Has excellent solid pneumatic tires, never get a flat. This unit has a GM Vortec gasoline engine, automatic transmission. This unit has been serviced, fully painted, therefore ready for work. You can check out this forklift online at betterforklift.com or stop by either store to check out our inventory in Denver or Fort Collins. We appreciate you very much for watching.